Hi everyone, welcome to Georgian College. My name is Ian. I am going to be your instructor for Professionalism 1, and I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to the course itself as it presents on Blackboard. When you go onto Blackboard, you will find Professionalism 1 as one of your course options. Simply click on that, and as you do, there will be a whole bunch of things that are available to you. First thing you want to do is look into the course information area on the left-hand side. Here you're going to find a couple of different things, the course outline and the course syllabus. The course outline gives you a broad idea as to the expectations for the course. The course syllabus provides a little bit more meat. It provides a little bit more in the way of a weekly kind of account as to what each week has to offer in terms of planning. If you go to the weekly learning area, you'll find that there's a folder for each relevant week that we're in for the semester. The first two are up for you to have a look at. And for week 1, you'll note that there are some to-dos. Firstly, I'm asking you to look at the outline and syllabus as mentioned. Tomorrow or today, depending on when you look at this, I'm also going to be asking you if you'd be interested in doing somewhat of a video introduction of yourself. So when you click on the folder, there'll be an opportunity to do that. I'm asking you as well to sign up for your provincial association, which is the RMTAO. It's our professional association, and membership is free to students. A whole bunch of really good resources available to you as a student, and a great way to connect with the profession from the get-go. One of the things you have to do as a student in the program and at Georgian College as well is to complete the academic integrity module that you'll find on Blackboard as well. You'll find it on Blackboard. It is to be done by the end of the second week, which is Sunday, September 27th, and I'm attributing 5% of your final mark for this course to it. So what I've done here is I've just popped into the week 1 folder, and again, you'll find there's an opportunity to review the syllabus and a link to the sign-in area as well. As you click on the syllabus, that's going to take you to a separate area, and you'll find that the syllabus is up and running here. And this is a place where you can actually kind of go through it and actually start to make some comments. And you'll note, for example, here I have highlighted online, and that's simply just to say that I've already kind of made a little bit of a notation here, and you're welcome to make as many notations as you like. My notation is that although this class is online, I'm going to be available to you in a number of different ways, and I really encourage you to reach out if you have any questions or comments. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please get in touch. I will endeavor to kind of reach out this week to connect with you guys as well. Again, welcome to the program. Welcome to Georgian. I'm glad you guys have chosen us.